Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and addressing the obvious wet sensor triggers. Back up your phone now, then power it down so you don't short anything while inspecting. Use a bright light and a toothpick or soft brush to remove lint. Avoid metal. Once done, let the port air dry for 10 to 15 minutes or apply low heat for 1 to 2 minutes from a safe distance. Make sure no visible deposits remain before moving to software checks. Now you verify the phone's behavior from the software side. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app triggers moisture warnings. If it disappears, uninstall recent apps. Once back in normal mode, clear the system cache from the recovery menu to remove corrupted charging files. Then test charging with a certified cable and adapter you know work on other devices. If the moisture alert persists, make sure you repeated the gentle drying step and retest before trying deeper fixes. For stubborn warnings, perform a factory reset only after you back up everything. This rules out firmware corruption. If the problem remains, contact an authorized Samsung service center because the moisture sensor or port may be damaged and requires professional inspection to protect warranty. As a troubleshooting tip, if nothing else works, leave the phone powered off in a dry, ventilated place for 12 to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.